Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate your support. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm chillaxing in one of my favorite hoodies, and I'm going to open up the Allure beauty box. I haven't opened up one of these since, about a month ago. And I hope it's good. The last two Allure beauty boxes have been great. These are $23 a month. I subscribed to it for a year when it was $15, so I got grandfathered in for that price. But it is at least 3 full-size items for $23. And you open it up, it looks like this. And it's got a little booklet. And it's always got a cute little lady on the front. Oh, let me see if I can do that. I look just like her. I look just like her. And this little booklet tells me all about the things that are in here. And I will need to wear my spectacles because otherwise I can't read the tiny, tiny print. So it says there's a lot to unpack. And it says 7 steps to brighter eyes, and that is one of the things that's in here. Let's see if I can find that first. And it's from Allure Restore Eye Serum. And the person who wrote this is a contributor to Allure magazine. And this person has oily eyelids. A lot of people have oily eyelids. And I use eye cream only at night, but she found that this formula is light enough to use during the daytime. And it's got hydrating argan and jojoba oils, and there's nothing greasy. And she uses 1 dropper, enough for both eyes, and she warms it between her fingers, her phalanges, never mind. She warms it up between her fingers, and then she applies it to the eye area. And that is a really nice, beautiful package. And this is $85. And I'm always in the mood for a good eye serum. That is one of my troubled places that I have. And so this is very exciting. And let me do a running tally of what the value of the bag is. So far, $85. All right. Next up is a face moisturizer, and this is it, and this is by Maaplim, and this is this has hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, shea butter, jojoba oil, and soothing colloidal oatmeal, and it's great for dry skin. And it's $49 for a full size. This is obviously, it can't be a full size. Let me see if it's got a little, doesn't say. But if it was full size, it would be $49. And this is just a deluxe sample size. Let's see if there's a safety seal. Do my little tribute to Abadabs. Safety seal. We gotta safety seal. Abadabs used to sing that all the time. I love Abadabs. She's so awesome. But so we'll call that $5. Next up is the Cello La Vie Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god. It's one of the tiniest eyeshadow palettes known to man. And let me take a gander at it. And it says that it's even wrapped in bubble wrap inside this box, so it's even smaller than the box. It's so tiny. It's for the wee people of Ireland, the little leprechauns. Oh yeah, that is teeny tiny palette, and it says this is a warm quad, and they like to use the brown. This is a great neutral quad, and it says that this is $45, and it's from Cello La Vie. I would not pay $45 for this. Just wouldn't. Oh my God. Are they insane? So we'll put 45. That is insane. Like, for $45, you can get a Art palette, which is petite, but it's got a lot more colors and it's good. I'm not even going to try this. This is going to end up in a giveaway for sure. Give it to somebody. That's just so small. I don't like it. It's too small. Gives me the feeling that I'm a giant. And then the next up is from Aveda, which I used to love Aveda back in the day. And this is Aveda Botanical Repair Mask. And this is obviously not a full size. The full size is $44. And this is got avocado oil and squalene. And she leaves this on her hair after shampooing for a few minutes and it's detangled and her hair gets soft and supple and manageable. Let's call that $5. There's 2 things left. Next up is from Cargo. It's called Swimmables, and this is a Cargo Swimmables eyeliner pencil, and this is $18. And it says that it's waterproof and it's great for wearing at the beach. Let's see what the color is. Oh, it's like a gold color. That's pretty cool. It's like a pretty bronze. I'll keep that. That could almost be an eyebrow pencil if it could really be an eyebrow pencil. But she pops this down in her lower lash line and a little shimmer and purple shadow in the inner corner. She puts on some burgundy lips and then she's good to go, girl. Okay, so that was $18. Next up is the Mighty Patch Duo. And this is for pimples. And this is $6.99 for 12. And I believe this is a full-size item, so $6.99. So let's call it $7. And this is, there's 2 types of stickers in the box to put on pimples. One's transparent. It's good for overnight. And you can wear them for like 6 hours and they won't budge. And one of these has hydrocolloidal. Let's see. I don't want to. It's such a tiny little wee box. Why is everything so tiny in this box? It's such a, well, it's a tiny wee box to begin with. But anyway, we know it's pimple patches. We know what they look like. So the total value of today's box with my estimations is $165 for $23 worth of beauty products. This makes the box by itself. Everything else can kind of go the way of the dodo and be extinct as far as I'm concerned. But this really makes the box. It's, you know, and then we've got the face moisturizer and the hair cream. And then we've got the liner. Then we've got the patch. And then we've got the tiny little palette. So it's not the worst box. I saw some people in their tags say, oh no, Allure, this is terrible. This is not terrible. I think this is pretty good. And this eye cream, everything else is just fine. But this you scream, we all scream for eye cream. This makes it. So I'm gonna give today's box a thumbs up. Not enthusiastic, but you get your money's worth for sure. And I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And I'll see you real soon.